1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 191 degrees Celsius. 2. Gather all the ingredients listed above in the ingredients section and handle all the required utensils. 3. Combine the flour and baking powder in one medium-sized bowl. 4. Combine the milk and peanut butter in another bowl. Mix till blended enough so that there isn't a whole lot of lumps. 5. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix thoroughly. 6. Spread a light layer of whole wheat flour on a smooth, clean work surface. 7. Knead the dough on top of your lightly floured surface. 8. Spread out the dough, use a rolling pin if you like, to about 1/4 of an inch thick, or use your hands if you prefer. 9. Cut out individual biscuits. Using cookie cutters, cut out different shape and place the biscuits onto the greased cookie sheet. They don't expand too much, so you can fit them close if needed. Cut the biscuits with a knife if you like, fine shapes might be fun for your dog. 10. Place the biscuits in the preheated oven and cook for approximately 20 minutes or until a light brown. The color is most noticeable on the bottom of the biscuit. 11. Remove carefully from the oven and place on a cooling rack, or set on a plate to cool. When cool, put them in a bag or airtight container and feed to your dog as required. 12. Do not overfeed your dog. Let Fido enjoy a couple here and there.